Hello, welcome to What About YouTube channel. Myself Dr. Today we are going to see how you can create your own connectors in integration service. So I used to get a few of the queries in my videos, like how to create your own connectors and how to use that in your project. Right. So today I'm going to show you how you can create new connectors in UiPath to make integration to your external applications. Right. So for that, what you have to do is you have to go to integration service. So integration service is nothing but it's a component that is offered by UiPath that help you to make connection to your third-party applications. Okay. So for example, just consider about Jira. Right? If you want to raise a ticket in Jira, either you can do it via UI or if you have any APIs available for that, you can directly call APIs by providing the payload and you can create a ticket. Right? So instead of accessing UI, you can directly do it from the backend itself. Right? So for most of the automation, the preferable method of creating automation is via API because it will be faster and it will be more accurate as well when compared to going with the UI automation. So the benefit is, like, if you want to make an integration to your application or to any third-party application, if there is an API available to make the connection, just make the connection builder in which you can add the type of authentication that you want and make the connection and then use that connection in your automation. Right. So I will tell you how to make a connector. Right. So for that, what you have to do is go to integration service and here you will be able to see connector builder. Just click on connector builder. Okay, and here you can click on create a new connector. Okay, or if you have already created some connectors, you will be able to find it over here. Right, and what is the status, whether it is published or not published. And before going to this, let me show you a few of the important connectors that already UiPath is offering. Okay, so here you can see Adobe PDF service is available, Amazon Web Services is available, Amazon Bedrock is available. So consider if you're clicking on this, here it will ask for connect to AI by UiPath. Okay, so if you have already authenticated, it will already make a connection. Otherwise, what you have to do is click on connect. It will ask for the authentication. Like if you have created this connector based on username password, then it will ask for that. Or if it is API, it will ask for that. If you already made a connection to this particular connector, it will automatically make a connection, right? Because I already made a connection to this AI by UiPath earlier, that's why it automatically made a connection to it. And here you can see it has already connected. So let me go back. Okay, so these are different connectors that I already connected. Here you can see OpenAI's Home Aptitudes connector. This was I created, and AI by UiPath and Google Sheets, Google Drive, Gmail. So all these are different APIs or the connectors that are available to make connection to these particular services, right? And here you can get other different connectors as well. Like based on your requirement, you can choose any of this connector. Like if you want to make a connection to GitHub, you can use GitHub and make the necessary authentication. Right? Okay, so let's go and create a connector. Okay, so for that, let me click on create new connector. And here it is asking, like, start from a blank connector. Like here it won't give you any criteria. Like you have to provide all the details, like the name, description, icon, and catalog preview also you have to provide, and you have to click on create. But here the benefit is, like, just consider if I'm going to make a connection to extra.swagger.io, right? So this is one Swagger API that helps you to manage the pet details in a store, right? Just consider if a new dog is coming to store, means you have to add the image of the dog, right? So for that, a particular APIs are available, or if you want to add details of the pet, you can use a particular API for that. Like that, it is providing you some sample APIs to test the APIs, right? So I'm going to use this Swagger UI for doing this testing. So if you have already the Swagger details, you can either upload the Swagger files, or if you want to get it from a URL, you can directly get it from here, right? So here also it is showing that is example https.swagger.io v2 swagger.json. So it's totally based on your requirement. Like if you want to make a connection to any other third-party application, you can check whether this URL is available or not. Else, if local swagger files are available, you can browse and you can get it over there. Right. So for this demo, I already have this URL available. So I'm just copying this. And I'm just putting this over here. Okay, and just click on continue. So here I'm starting with the API definition that already I have, right? So I'm going to give it like a Swagger pester, and once you import itself, it will give you what are the different APIs that are available, right? So what are the things that are documented here? Everything will get over here, right? And you can provide a description, and if you want to add some icon, you can add some icon to it. Okay, you can add some icon to it. I'm not going to add any icon. And here you can get the Swagger Pet Store or catalog of preview. Okay, so this is created by your organization. So what I'm going to do, just click on create. Okay, so page duration type the page start with 1. So let it be page duration maximum is 100, and content type header is application JSON, and header is application size JSON. So I'm going to save it. Okay, so control is fully updated. If I want to make some changes, I can modify it over there. And authentication, what kind of authentication you want? Either you want to go with OAuth 2.0 authentication code, then it will ask for all these details like client ID, client secret ID, and token URL, all these details. So let me go with the API key. Okay, so let me check whether I can generate a token for this. So let me go here. Okay, swagger.io. Okay, let me sign in. If you haven't already signed up, you have to sign up first. Okay, let me use Google. Okay, then go to profile, API key. Okay, so here you can copy your API key. Let me go back. Okay, I have selected API key as the authentication type, right? So let me modify this. Provide your API key. That's it. Okay, now try to click on add connection. Okay, it is asking for API key. Click on connect. Okay, now you can see connector successfully connected. Right. So that's it. Let me save this. Okay, so all these details has completed. Now what is the next step? Like once you completed the setup of your API, the next setup is like you have to publish it. Okay, so you have to properly choose which authentication type you want to proceed. If you want to go with a personal access token, you have to choose that. Or if you want to go for a basic authentication, you have to choose that authentication method. So based on your requirement or the design of the third-party application, you have to choose the authentication. Right? So here I have selected API key. Just click on publish. Okay. So if you have in documentation URL, you can provide that documentation URL. If not, just keep it blank. It's not a mandatory, it's optional value. And click on publish. Okay. So now it is published, and you can use this connector to make a connection to this Swagger UI application. So you. Okay, so here you can see it has already made a connection. So let me go back. Okay, let me search for Swagger. Okay, so this is the Swagger Pet Store, and connect to Swagger Pet Store. Class for API key, yes, because by default it is asking the same API key, right? Because I have already provided the API key previously, and here you can see it is successfully connected, right? And here if you go to activities, you will be able to see what are the different activities as part of this particular connection. As I haven't provided any icon, by default it has taken this particular image, right? If you want to customize it and if you want to provide any other icon, you can provide it in the icon session, right? And these are the different activities that are available as part of this connector. You can delete the record, you can insert new records, you can replace the existing record, and you can list all the records that are available and get the record as well. And if you want to change anything, you have the admin privilege over here. Like you can modify the version. If there is any new version getting published, you can modify that version as well. Right. So that's it for today. Like if you want to use this particular connector, you can actually click on this build an automation studio from scratch. I will show you that in the next video. Right? So this video is just for telling you how you can use the connector builder for building new connection in integration service that is available as part of UiPath. Right? Hope you find this video useful. Please like the video, please share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. So thanks for watching the video. Bye.